Welcome back to Closing Bell. Well, as we speak, markets holding in the green. Nimesh standing by to tell us what he's picking up in D-Street Chatter. Nimesh, we were almost there, but I think Friday to bante. What are you picking up in terms of flows?
Hi, Nigel. As we speak, the mid-cap index is almost in the red. So it's like a two-kind market, right? The Nifty heading towards an all-time high. But if you ask a portfolio investor or any investor or trader, they are sulking. That's not making money for them. So that's the kind of a market we are. The large caps driven Nifty rally is clearly visible in the last couple of days, but that's not clearly spilling down to the broader markets. I'll explain a bit of broader market underperformance as well. But technically, I highlighted yesterday as well. 26,120 is a level to watch, and above that, you've seen a bit of a short covering rally today. Remember, the Nifty, the FIs are still short Nifty, almost 88, 87%. So clearly, you will see further short covering rally if this, if this technical levels are sustained. And if market goes up from there. I guess the big trigger to watch will be the Indo-US tariff deal. There's a lot of chatter for the last couple of days. Given the Nifty move, there is a lot of hope. So need to see whether that comes out this weekend or before 27th of November. Flow, again, has turned slightly positive in the last couple of days. X of blocks as well. I'm getting a sense that there is a bit of buying interest back, especially in the large cap names. So Reliance is well bid, so is private bank stocks as well, and of course IT in the last couple of days. Now coming to the underperformance in the broader markets, one of the technical reason is I understand one large FI seems to be merging with another fund, so they have close to 38-40 holdings and all liquid large cap names, mid cap names in that portfolio, and there they are either selling out or doing blocks as well. So maybe that explains a bit of underperformance in the broader market, but this Nifty rally seems to be clearly led by large cap names and a bit of short covering as well.
Oh, yes, absolutely. And one can only hope if those flows really come back in a sustainable manner. Some trickle we've seen from the FPIs this week, but let's see if it really builds. What about stocks, Nimesh? What's on your radar today?
Well, so the first stock on my list is GMR Power. That's been buzzing in today's market, good volumes as well. I understand the company is likely to raise funds via preferential issue very soon, so that's something to watch out for. Some marquee HNIs, some large FIs are likely to put money in GMR Power pref issue, so that's the trigger there. The second stock is Bharat Forge. It has actually recovered this week from the recent lows and has done well as well. Largely, I understand the selling pressure from a leading long-only fund is largely over, and some bit of domestic buying has also emerged in Bharat Forge of late. The third stock is Polycab. It's marginally under pressure today, but I understand there are first rounds of selling from a leading domestic mutual fund in Polycab. Remember, the stock has done well of late, so a bit of profit booking from a domestic mutual fund there. The last one is Grasim. It's actually done nothing in the last few months, been consolidating. It was under pressure after that CEO exit, but at least a leading large HNI investor seems to be quite active and is accumulating Grasim at current levels.
Okay, all right. Got that, Nimesh. Thank you very much for all the details and all the buzz today from the street. Let's, however, now